Vishal in this wonderful session of India English Bolega Abhiyan, a dream to change India. So, first
Thank
of
you so
all, I
much, sir.
welcome you, sir. Then, please tell me, how are you?
I'm good, sir. What about you? How are you today?
I'm fantastic, and it is Sunday today. I don't have many classes today. So, tell me, how is going your life?
Life is going very well, sir. What's about your life? How's going your life?
Life is very beautiful. I tell you, if whatever you want and you are able to do that, that time you feel very much comfortable in your life. And life is very beautiful when the people they respect you, they love you, and whatever you want in your life, you get it very soon. So tell me, how is your family?
I agree with you. Like life is very beautiful, and if we're doing like our dream profession, if we are having our dream work, so it's nothing can match this thing. In my family, everyone is good. All my family members are well.
Okay, thank you. So tell me, sir, I think for learning English, what kind of activity you are doing nowadays? Are you doing something extraordinary? Otherwise, same it is going on.
Okay, every day I spend time with this language. I read, I listen, I speak. So three activity I do. I'm lacking in writing, so I don't write. But three activity I do on daily basis. I read, I listen and speak. The three things I do on daily basis. And in listening, I listen variety like many kinds of video. Sometimes it's songs, movies. Sometimes it's a podcast. Sometimes it's motivation. Sometimes it's shadow technique. Sometimes it's grammar videos. So all type of videos I listen.
So I would like to tell you that I have started I am Prime Minister so and really the people of India they want a prime minister who is really dedicated for the country. So which kind of prime minister you want in your life? And please tell.
I didn't get your topic. It's an imaginary situation, or what is your topic? What are you saying?
I mean, suppose you have the ability to choose the prime minister. So, which kind of prime minister would you like to choose that will transform India and for will be beneficial for you and for the people?
Okay, you are simply saying that if I were be the Prime Minister of India, what would I be doing? What would I do? So, okay, if I would be Prime Minister of India, so definitely I'll work on two sectors, especially two sectors, like education and another hospital sector, so healthcare services. So, firstly, I'll make these things best or better. So it's my priority. After that, I see that seeing something from local problems to global. So in this way, I'll work. But these things, I won't compromise with both things, like education and another health services. So these must be my priority. And apart from that, so I should do. I do like I can encourage farmers. I provide more subsidy or many more things, and I generate many jobs. So it would be let's see, but those things in my mind like education and healthcare services. So firstly, I'll give more and more focus to these services only. If anyone get good education, so definitely he can make career in government, private, or maybe he start his own something. But after that, he will definitely do well. So education is must.
So, we have the wonderful education, you know that. But in this education, I think you are satisfied. And how much marks would you give that out of 10? The education system, whatever today it is going on in India.
Okay, so I would like to give five only.
What is the reason behind it that out of 10 you are giving only 5? It's mean that you are not fully satisfied.
Okay, we know very well that the poor, they can't afford private school fees. They can't send their children into private school. Their fees in thousands. In starting in first standard, they are getting 3,000 per month, 2,000 per month. So how can a middle class person can afford their fees? So they have no option. This is the reason they are going to government school, right? But government teacher, their children, they are going into private school because they have money. If government schools would be in the better situation, so why they are sending their children into private school? And
So, really,
last
you are
year, okay, last year, like second, like I told you, that reality. Another thing like infrastructure. In private schools, infrastructure is quite good. But last year, we saw a news that in Rajasthan, many school students died due to school building collapsed. So they were going there to getting education only. But after that, they died. What was their fault? So infrastructure is very low, and I told about quality education. So still we are lacking.
it's mean in government schools, I think they are not providing the quality education. Even the infrastructure is not fine. So the people they are lacking to send their children into the
In
government schools.
in some schools, the situation are better, but mostly schools, majority of schools, they have these type of problems. Around 90% schools, they have very low standards.
You are right. Suppose I think you get this opportunity to become a Prime Minister of India. So you would like to change the infrastructure first. Yeah. First, you will change the
Uh,
infrastructure of the school, and after that, which kind of change would you like to bring in the syllabus? Otherwise, after reading, the people from your school they will get the job and they will spend the successful life.
I will provide some extra classes for like a co-curricular activities. If someone is good at painting, so provide some opportunity in painting only. At least after 12th or after college, at least he can get a career in the job field. So go in vocational learning. So these type of things I will also do. And another thing, like if the sports, they played a crucial role in everyone's growth. So right now there is no policy for sports, especially in government schools. So I'll give more and more focus to this thing only. With sports, in sports, students enjoy and simultaneously they learn. And I will in schools, government schools, they are providing midday meal services. But we saw multiple times that the grains quality is not good. Sometimes foods have very low standard. So these things should be improved. Situation I can give you 5 points. So five things are quite good. At least they can have food, they can have free books. But after having all things, there are some loopholes. So I'll work on these things. And if I would be prime minister, so there are many IPS, the many like IAS. So I will discuss with them. They will give me suggestion. After that, I will implement those things. I will. Main thing is I want to improve. So in this way, I can improve this standard.
Wonderful, wonderful. Actually, when you are the Prime Minister of India, that time you have the resources, mindset, the people, they are ready to help you. So you can take the action for the people of India, and that time just you can transform India. And definitely it will be possible if you have the desire to transform something. And really, I tell you, people nowadays, after doing the graduation, even they don't have skill to survive. Many people they are just filling the form for the clerk, and after doing the graduation, clerk job and peon job and very low class jobs, even the fourth grade job, they are just crabbing for those. So, what do you say about it?
Right, we have degree or diplomas in many. Inflation is increasing day by day. Unemployment is increasing day by day. So we don't have resources, we don't have source of income. So this is the reason competition is increasing. We, but right now it's time to shift on another things also as well. So at government jobs, only few percent are government jobs. So everyone can't get government job. So whenever you are doing something, so keep your plan B in your mind. That if I will select there, so it's okay. It's very well if you get a job. But what will happen if you fail there? 99% we don't make plan B. Every time we are thinking that we are following one profession or one, we are running behind on one thing only. But at least be practical, think in a logical way that there are 100 vacancies. Only 100 are getting to get their job. And for filling, we already see that for are more than 1 lakh. So how is possible that more than 100 they'll get a job? So keep your plan B in your mind. And seriously, if you want to do something, so give your 100%. After that, don't need to blame anyone. Give your 100%, whatever you are doing.
You are right, sir.